Videos Part 2. Along with being able to show videos very easily with HTML5, you can also give the viewer full control over the video if you want to. You can give them a custom play or pause button, or even adjust the video size. I just want to let you know that this will get into JavaScript a little bit, and that HTML5 is actually largely JavaScript dependent. There's no need to fear, we will cover every aspect of the JavaScript code when we get into the JavaScript section. So I just want to show you some code real quick. Before we go on to play with this example, I'm actually going to go over the code. I find this helps people understand how things work a little bit better. So we've created 3 buttons, gave them the onClick attribute, we'll cover this in just a moment. Play or pause function, big screen function, normal screen function. All 3 of those are our JavaScript functions. In each one we have our text, so we have play, big screen, regular screen. And we just close all 3 elements. We have a new line. We started our video. We gave it the ID of lecture and a width of 300. We support the MP4 and OGG formats. We gave it the right types. And we also stated that if someone cannot load the video, that their browser is either too old or just doesn't support MP4 or OGG formats. Next we have our script. And we've learned that all of our JavaScript goes between script tags. Type is equal to text/JavaScript. Now here you don't have to worry too much about what this is. I'm going to go over it real quick anyways. If you just want to blur this out so you don't get too confused, feel free to do that. This is variable, lecture, document get element by ID, lecture. So this variable is going to get this element. We have function number 1. It's called play or pause. We called upon it up here with our play or pause button. If lecture, which is this, is paused, then it's going to play. Otherwise, it's going to pause it. Next function, our normal screen. We also called this up here for just regular size for me button. Lecture, which is our variable up here, which calls to this element. Width is equal to 300, and that's the default size for this video. And then we have our last one, function, big screen, which we also called. And when that's clicked, our video width, lecture, will turn to 500. Let's actually look at what this does. We have our play pause button, big screen baby, and just regular size for me button. We click the play pause button.
Header and footer. The header and footer elements are basically
the video
exact
starts
same,
playing on its own.
except
Now if we want to go big screen, which calls our big screen function, our width is equal to 500, and that made our video, instead of 300 pixels, 500 pixels wide. So we can continue to play it if we like, or we can move it back down to regular size, or again we can make it big. Now I'd like to take just one more moment and go over the onClick attribute. The onClick attribute is a beautiful, beautiful thing. It can be added to almost every element in the body, and once a user clicks it, it will activate the JavaScript function. Now until we get into functions, this really isn't that useful to you, but when we do, the onClick button will be an amazing feature that you will absolutely love.